Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk to Marcio Muniz, the VP of Beontag RFID, the Digital Transformation Business Division. He's the VP of this part of the company. And this Brazilian label company has acquired Confidex, a very important and international company in this RFID world. And Marcio, how are you? And how is everything? Are you in Italy right now, right?
Yeah. Hi, Perin. How are you? Well, yeah, I'm in Italy. This is part of our transformation of the company. We moved our headquarters to Milano. So that's why I'm here.
And the former company is the CCRR, right?
Yeah,
Beontag comes from CCRR.
Yeah, Beontag was created by the legacy business of CCRR, and then with some acquisitions that we made throughout these last 14 months. In our RFID specifically, we acquired what used to be Moldix in France, the label part, LabID in Italy, Temera, and what used to be Stora Enso RFID business, and now the last acquisition, Confidex, also from Finland.
The idea is to place Beontag RFID among the largest RFID companies in the world, the largest RFID label suppliers, right?
Yeah. I think that's part of the strategy. The combined company already is well positioned in the market, but I think the main strategic view is that we would like to have three main pillars here. The first pillar is to have a really broadened portfolio. So Beontag is more based on the mass market production, LabID on the value-added production, and Confidex brings the industrial, the toll road, the ticketing. So it's when you see there are different business throughout those companies that we acquired. This is one of the pillars. The second pillar was geographically spread. So we are now with factories and companies in all the continents. So portfolio, geography, and the third pillar is sustainability. So all those acquisitions that we have done, they also bring new things to the portfolio on the acquisition, on the sustainability side, such as the paper antenna from Stora Enso, and other products that we have in LabID and Confidex. So those are the three main pillars that we are looking at.
And this sustainability strategy is also considering the circular economy as a target for your clients, your customers.
Yeah, for sure. I think RFID. Well, we can think of sustainability in two ways. No, one is our products should be sustainable, but also RFID is a beautiful tool to make sustainability for other companies. So it's clear that we are tackling the first one, as we do have now more sustainable products in our portfolio. But for the future, we will also tackle the second one heavily. That's one of our ideas here.
And as far as I know, you have the plan of producing 5 billion tags, RFID tags every year, and they are going to be manufactured in China, right?
Well, actually, you are right on the capacity number for next year. We definitely have a problem nowadays with the IC shortage, so this is quite confusing. But and the idea is to have production spread all around the world. So our biggest facility nowadays is still in Brazil. Brazil is performing not only for, is producing not only for Brazil, but for other markets. But I think the main strategy is that, well, we want to have a global company, but definitely business are becoming more local. Logistics starts to be really, really expensive. Lead times have to be shortened. So there are a lot of reasons to be at local sites. And so this is the main concept, being global to be able to serve locally.
Sure. And this global strategy must provide some better benefits for your customers. How do you measure that? How can you say that? Define that?
Yeah, I think in the end, our clients will have is a company that can have the same type of product and service, but be quite near to them to serve their needs. So that's the main concept, no?
And what about the you have the channel as your sales force, right?
Yeah.
And also technology. About technology, what kind of technology or which companies are you do you have with Beontag as partners?
Well, we have several integrators all around the world that has been partner of each one of those companies. And I think this is also a beautiful opportunity because we can now take our broadened portfolio to all of them in different ways. So people, the integrators that Confidex used to serve now can be also served by products from Beontag all the way around. So for sure, we're gonna try to achieve those commercial synergies.
Mm-hmm. And the companies that are technological partners, I mean, inlays and the RFID itself.
You mean by our suppliers?
Yeah.
Well, the suppliers remain the usual suspects, though, on antennas, on ICs. We definitely, as we broaden a little bit our portfolio, for sure some new companies show up on this group. But well, the main suspect, no, Impinj, NXP, EM, and so on.
That's good. Okay, Marcio, do you have anything else you want to say that I did not ask you?
Yeah, I think it's funny because we are having this moment in the market that we are really excited to see that the market is growing, ramping up. At the same time, we have the supply shortage, so it's kind of confusing right now. But we're definitely on the group of people that are enthusiastic. So we are doing that. I think we are creating something great here, and hopefully we will be a company that all our partners and clients and customers can rely even more. That's not our expectation. So excited for what's coming.
That's good. I'll do one more question. What kind of markets or what kind of customers or the verticals you are seeing that will grow more using RFID next years?
Well, we've seen it all, but I think definitely the retail, the apparel is still on its peak. There are huge projects coming up. Logistics is something that we're gonna see, postal but you know, it's funny because even though RFID grows, there's still so much to do. So you can take any segment: industrial, pharmaceutical. Well, no one. They are only in the baby steps of in the technology yet. So I think that there's going to be space for every company. There's going to be actually is the opposite. Hopefully we have more ecosystem to help us to deploy more projects. That's something that I truly would like to see. The integrators we have, they are fantastic, but they are mainly in some segments. Some other segments, they still not have this ecosystem. So I think we're going to see a lot of growth everywhere for the next couple of years or decades, actually.
Okay. So thank you, Marcio, for the interview, and I wish you good luck in this new part of the story of this company.
Thank you, Perin. Thank you so much. And that actually is a great effort of everyone in Beontag. And Beontag now it's we have operations in more than 15 countries. So we are a truly global company, and it's the effort of each one, from China to Finland to from Sweden. That's what makes this group growing and be successful for the last years. Okay.
That's good. So thank you very much, Marcio, and I hope to see you soon here in Brazil.
Yeah, definitely. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.